So on today's Tuesday tip, I wanted to talk about erosion. Man, we've had a lot of rain. It always seems to rain here in Georgia, and some years it rains more than others. But we always get a call with clients that say, "Hey, I've got an erosion problem in my yard." So as you can see here, we've used this particular product called Rip Wrap, and we use this particular product to build small walls or locations to alleviate the erosion and the erosion movement. People always call me and they say, well, I got this erosion problem. How do we fix it? And a lot of times that erosion problem is just because the movement of water at a fast rate of speed. A lot of times it is not the volume of water. As you can tell, we're in a deep ditch. It's not the volume of water that comes through this ditch that's the problem. It's the speed of that water. And so what we use is riprap, rock, to hold the dirt in place, to build barriers up and down the ditch so that the water slows down in its process. What happens is when that water slows down, the dirt and the sediment drops out of the water and settles, and then the water will move on past. So as you can see in this simple ditch here, we've used riprap to maintain and to hold the sides of the bank, but also behind me up here, we've done it to be able to use and to slow down the erosion of this ditch area.